Hey Voice AI adventurers! Guru here with today's hottest Voice AI finds and news for Tuesday.
Seoul Subway replaces Kang Hee-seon's voice with AI. After 29 years of Kang Hee-seon's announcements echoing through the Seoul Subway, an AI-generated voice has taken over to ensure consistency and accuracy in announcements. This shift reflects South Korea's growing trend of integrating AI technology into public services. The impact on daily commuters remains to be fully observed. The information is from the Korea Jungang Daily website.
Blazeo launches hybrid voice AI. Blazeo Incorporated introduces Blazeo Voice AI, combining conversational AI with human agents to enhance call center efficiency. The system offers rapid AI responses with human empathy for complex calls, elevating customer interactions in industries like healthcare and legal services. Cost reductions of up to 35% are reported in initial trials. The information is from the Blazeo website. Xstreamer enables seamless AI streaming. Xstreamer by VoiceAI GC is an open-source project designed for real-time streaming of AI content, bridging the gap between AI models and interactive user experiences with its compatibility, flexibility, and extensibility. It supports various LLMs, aiding applications like chatbots and AI assistants with low-latency output. The platform supports diverse environments. The information is from the VoiceAI GC website.
Immobiliare.it builds Conversational Real Estate Agent. Italy's largest real estate platform used 11 labs to create a voice agent, enhancing interactions by answering seller queries and qualifying leads. Built in days, it increased lead qualification from 19% to 63% and received positive feedback. The project shifted Immobiliare into an AI-native company. The information is from the 11 Labs website.
Acefone launches AI post-call analytics. New premium feature within Acefone's platform analyzes post-call interactions to improve sentiment analysis, compliance, and agent performance. The module uses LLM to bridge the gap left by manual reviews, analyzing 100% of interactions to provide insights. This aims to enhance operational efficiency and churn prediction for Indian enterprises. The information is from the Acefone website.
ZIWO introduces AI voice agent. ZIWO has launched its new AI voice agent to enhance customer interaction and streamline operations. The tool uses artificial intelligence to provide real-time responses and improve user engagement. This new technology aims to reduce waiting times and increase customer satisfaction, offering businesses a powerful solution for customer service. The information is from the ZIWO website.
Top Voice AI News and Conversational AI Intel. VoiceAIGuru curated from the digital frontier. For deeper analysis and exclusive insights, check out the full DailyGram at VoiceAIGuru.